Let's take a look at the landscape of the Oracle EPM Cloud for consolidation. So we start on the left-hand side with our ERP system. We need to close the GL or the ERP system, and then we need to load that data into FCCS. To transform that transactional detail into a more summarized level, we can use data management, otherwise known as FDM-EE. This allows us to import our GL data. It uses mapping files to transform that data from a more detailed transactional level into a more summarized FCCS level. So we can use data management as a key way of exporting and importing data into and out of FCCS. Within FCCS, we look at our entity close, and we can use the close manager to facilitate that. We can offer users various lists of tasks, and those tasks and have associated workflows, so we can see at what stage of the close process people are currently at. Obviously within FCCS, people can create and post journals. We can look at the intercompany mismatches, and during the consolidation the intercompany balances are automatically eliminated. And we can also consolidate our data and view our financial results in IFRS and other gaps. This is all done within FCCS. With our consolidated data, we then have other reporting solutions, for example EPRCS. So this is our Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud service, which is a tool that allows you to build management and narrative reporting, what we call disclosure management. And you also have the Oracle Analytic Cloud service as well. And this allows you to combine data from different source systems and analyze them however you wish. Within FCCS, do bear in mind you do also have financial reporting, you have dashboards, and you also have SmartView. So the focus of the course and the workshops you'll be able to work through will allow you to import your GL data using data management. And then we're going to work within FCCS as a consolidation tool. We'll both enter, review, and consolidate our data. And we'll also be using tools like Financial Reporting Web Studio. We can also use SmartView to analyze our data. And there are a whole number of out-of-the-box dashboards which we can also customize and create our own dashboards if we wish.